We are in the Baltimore Aquarium and there's only 29% charge left on this phone. That is 15 Pro of this guy. And I have to cover the whole National Aquarium in less than an hour or else I'm going to lose the footages. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day to live. This guy kind of looks homeless without the glasses. But on the other hand, welcome to the National Aquarium. It's nice. Oh my god. I don't know what to expect of this aquarium, bro. But I've heard that it is one of the best things to visit in the whole entire country. That is the United States. Whew, the view is much better, bro. The thing is, our slot was at 7 o'clock. And yeah, the time now is 7:10. We finished up looking at all the ships. This is the video if you haven't watched it. And we had to wait 2 hours, bro, in order to get a slot. Online tickets and $99 for 4 of us. Yeah. Holy shit. And bro, this is just the entrance. There's not even any fish inside this. Okay. Hello sir, don't unsubscribe. But check this out. One of the most scariest and the interesting things in the world are the creatures from the ocean. Because most of them haven't even been discovered yet. Check that out. Actually, I've seen a stingray before. A while ago, I think 2021. I'd been to Maldives, okay? And basically, I saw a stingray there. Yeah. Cool story, right? Oh my god. That's crazy. That's a baby shark. You know the meme that I'm about to play now. Baby shark, do do do. This is just very trippy, bro. The clip from before and this place, we are underwater right now. And this is what we are seeing. Crazy, bro. And on the side, I would like to apologize that the whole video has been shot in the dark. And I don't know if the 15 Pro works that much good in the dark also. Nice. That's close. And I have a feeling that we are going in the wrong direction. But we've come a far way now. And there's no going back. Bro, what? 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 So what is this?
I'm guessing it's a coral reef. Or maybe a plant, I don't know. But crazy maze though.
So it's a weird cousin of coral reef.
Maybe.
That joke was made by Ashish, okay? This is a reshoot.
Why am I putting that up? I get a fish like this. My grandma makes like the best fish fry.
This is what we think about, right? Oh my god, there are so many mysterious creatures around the ocean. But look at this fish. It would make a good fish fry. You see, this is what I'm talking about. This is just an aquarium. But that dark part, you never know what is there. And it is so scary, bro. Okay. Yeah, it would have looked really good from up top there.
I don't know. Sunset's
Yeah, but it's 7:30, so closed. I don't understand this country, bro. Everything closes by 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I'm not talking about the touristy places. I'm talking about regular stuff. Everything closes up by 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Even the phone carriers, all of those places. And people work 9 to 5 jobs. When is my bro gonna have the time to live a life? I don't understand.
Tusa sauce.
Tusa, come here.
Wait, I don't see it. What?
It's a starfish.
Alright. Amazon flooded forest. That's cool. So most of it. Yeah, what do you say? Ooh. Master Ugwe.
Whoever holds this long stick is gay.
What the fuck? Oh my god, the size of that. Bro, that's an alligator. That's an alligator. Oh my god, look at the size of that. I'm not exaggerating this at all. This is at least 100 years old. It's crazy, bro. Enough said. This is a national aquarium for a reason. We all got excited because there's a snake inside, okay? But you see this? No snake. But hold on. You see these?
And then you see the top two?
Yes, that's a snake.
This is snake.
My bro snake is pretty tired by giving content all day for visitors, okay? Huh? This place is nice. This is the best place. Wait, why would he say that?
Check it out.
What in the ass? What? Bro. Bro, they are piranhas. Did I just see one of the most dangerous fish on this planet? That's something that was on my bucket list and I didn't even realize that it was until I saw it. All these actual trees, bro. And the temperature right now is very hot. Okay, because there's a lot of fish here and there's a lot of plants. And in order for them to survive, they need to create an environment where they can actually sustain.
Look, Blake, there's a bunch of them.
See that blue frog over there, bro? Yeah, that's poisonous. Bro? Yeah. Color frog. See that? That's a yellow colored frog. And bro, check that out. Focus. Yes. That looks like the frog from Harry Potter.
That's not a frog in Harry Potter, it's a toad.
Just got school.
Yes, sir.
How's it going?
It's been good so far, sir. But only 18% left. You've been here before, right? How much more do we have to cover? Another 50 more percent. Sorry. So basically from floor 0, we went from there all the way to top. And we finished the final floor. And we went back to the ground floor. And we took the first floor. Now. Huh. That's interesting. Looking at all of these flora and fauna exhibits, bro, I have a feeling that this country hasn't seen a lot of greenery. And thankfully, India has a lot of greenery. But they do make it very aesthetic, bro. That I have to give it to them. So cool.
Snappy, see the turtle below?
But this is very good lighting, though.
There's the turtle.
I know, I'm looking at the wrong stuff, but you look at it, bro.
It's not one that was the sister. It is.
She's nice. Oh, nice. There's a ladder and a ship aesthetic given. And the boy said Titanic. And yes, we are going to the next building. Bro, what kind of aquarium has 2 buildings and one lobby connecting the 2 buildings? This is one building. There's another building. And the sun has officially set in Baltimore. That's a dolphin, bro. Damn.
What?
Everything is ocean creature aesthetic, bro. Everywhere.
A show is the basic show.
Yes, when there is a show, you can see dolphins from above doing this.
Hello.
Do a double slip.
And with that, we are done here. Didi is very angry. And since we didn't get to see dolphins much, we finished that and we came back to the first building. And in the first building, bro, there's a whole Australian exhibit. So Vinay Kumar, if you're watching this, this is much better than the country you live in. You see python there? Hello. I don't know what to do at this point, okay? What is that sound? Dude, what is that sound? Oh, that bird. Nice. You wanna see Johnston's crocodile? That one. Ooh. And there's another snake there.
A water monitor.
Water monitor?
Yeah.
What is it?
Like a GA. It's a huge lizard. It's inside the bottom.
Oh, damn. Hey, yes, you will also get attention. Don't worry. And with that, the Australian exhibit is also covered. So building 1, building 2, Australian exhibit. Everything done, and the funny part is the iPhone's battery has still been intact. There's still like 6% more. It's very rare that an iPhone's battery is not dead, bro. Okay. But the thing is, I have already done the outro and I had actually kept it just in case. So you guys watch that. That was a good experience. I think this is gonna be the end of the video. So if you guys watched until here, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. My name's Bhatta, welcome to the
It's getting
fan.
serious, make a bitch delirious. Bitches on my dick, cause a boy so mysterious.
Macha, you see that? There are children's downstairs.
It's funny, man.